Okay, good evening, everyone. Today we just recover our last lesson. We still have another part about the addition to subtract tens. In this lesson, which is number 9, we will talk about how I find the relationship between addition and subtraction, and check my answer through subtraction and check my answer through addition. The objectives in my lesson is finding part plus part equals whole and whole minus part equals part. As you remember the fact family song, fact family is for equations to addition to subtraction. You use three members, part, whole, part plus part equals whole minus part equals part. So here I'm dealing with four equations, two addition and two subtraction. The central question, how are the addition and subtraction related? This is the inverse relationship between addition and subtraction. When I add, for example, 20 plus 30 equals 50, so I can subtract 50 minus 20 equals 30. Here is the basic thing that I'm talking about, which is part, whole model. If I have this model, the whole is the greater number, part are the small numbers. I can representing this one by this model, or I can make it with the triangle. Here is the whole, and here is part. So if the whole is missing, I don't know the whole, how I will find the whole? That means I have to add part and part. If one part is missing, how I bring it? That means the relation between the whole and part is subtracting the whole. Whole minus part equals the other part. Here is an exercise. As you remember, in the model part whole, here is 50 is the whole. So the part, the whole is 50, the other part is 30. How the relation will be? It's subtraction. So 50 minus 30. How I can do it mentally? I deal with 50 as ones or 5 tenths. So I put 5 tenths in my fingers and I subtract 3 tenths. The answer will be 20. Here is the whole is 90, the other part is 60. How I will deal with them? It's subtracting. I put 9 fingers. 9 fingers minus 60, it will be 30. So 9 minus 6, it will be 3. So 90 minus 60, it will be 30. Now here I have two parts and the whole is missing. I don't know the whole. Remember, how I find the whole is adding two parts together. Part plus part equals whole. It's 50 plus 30. It's 5 plus 3. The answer will be 80 or 8. Number 4, the whole is 100. That means as I can make it as a 10 fingers. The whole is 100 or 10 tenths. The other part is 80. The relationship between the part and the whole is subtracting. So 10 minus 8, it will be 2. So 100 minus 80, it will be 20. Here is a half, 40 and 20. Here is the whole, here is a part. The relation here, I have to subtract part whole minus part equal the other part. So 4 minus 2, it will be 2. 40 minus 20, it will be 20. Here it is. The whole is 60. 60 and 10, the part is 10. The relation is subtracting. 6 minus 1 equals 5. So 60 minus 10 equals 50. Now, as you see here, wait a minute. Okay. This is how I deal with the book. I can see the part as a group of 10. So here as I have 2 tens and I have 3 tens. 2 tens and 3 tens, that means here I have 20 and here I have 30. And I can represent it in the fact family triangle. I remember the signs. Here is plus, here is minus, here is minus. So the first how I will deal if I don't live to this. I told you write for me the 4 equations for the fact family. How I do it? First, I will write plus, plus, minus, minus. Okay? And here is equals. Now, plus. Where is a plus? Plus is here. So I need the newer numbers. I have 20. The other one is 30. The answer will be up, which is 50. So they are families. Okay, they are family. So the next equation is the same addition. What I would do, I'm just switching. Here is 20, sorry, here is 30, and here is 20. The answer will be the same, 50. Now here I have subtraction, so I see the subtraction is here, so I'm starting from the whole, which is 50. 50, 50. Now I just write the other part. Here is 20 and 30. Then I switch 30 and 20. Let's see the next. Okay, here is the textbook. Okay. Here is the textbook page number 303. They said write the missing number. They did for you the first one. Let's go to the next. Here they wrote for us 1 equation in addition and 2 other in subtraction. Here is the fact family triangle. Before solving anything, I just write the signs. Here is plus, minus, minus. Okay, so here I have a plus. A number plus 50 equals 90. I look to the triangle. So I have 50. I don't have the other part, which is 40. So the answer here is 40. Now I have 90 minus a number. The answer is 50. But the missing number is 40. Now here I have also minus. I have 40 and 50. They are parts. I will get the answer. The missing number here is by adding 40 and 50, which is 90. Now the next number 3. Before solving, I write the sign. Here is minus, minus, and here is that. A number plus 20, it will be 60. 60 and 20, so the missing part is 40. So imagine I don't have the triangle. I just remember that if I have subtracting, that means this is a whole. So whole minus part equals part. The missing is part. So 60 minus 40, 6 minus 4 is 2. so it will be 20. Here, whole minus part equals part. So I have this part. I said 6 minus 2, it will be 40. Okay. Let's go to the next. Okay, here they said add or subtract with the number. Here I have the facsimile triangle. Before adding and subtracting, I write the sign. Okay. 40, 10, and 30. 40 minus 30. 4 minus 3, it will be 1, so 10. 30 plus 60. Will be this triangle with 3 plus 6, it's 9, so the answer is 90. Now 20 plus 50, it will be this triangle. 2 plus 5, it will be 7, so 20 plus 50, it will be 70. Now here, 40. Let me just remove this one, wrap it up. Okay. Now 40 minus 10, this is a triangle. It will be 4 minus 1, it will be 3, so 30. 90 minus 30, this one. 9 minus 3, it will be 6, so 90 minus 30, it will be 60. And the last one, 70 minus 50, 7 minus 5 is 2, so 70 minus 50, it will be 20. Now number 7 is the first triangle. 30 plus 10, 3 plus 1 is 40. 90 minus 60, 9 minus 6, it will be 30. And 70 minus 27 minus 2 is 5, so it will be 50. So I subtract it mentally. I deal with the tens as ones. For example, 40, that means 4 tenths. I put 4 fingers and subtract. Okay, here they said write the missing number, use the related fact to add and subtract. Here they didn't write for you the triangle. You can draw it to remember. Okay, you remember this is minus minus plus. Okay, put the minus here, 70, I put it here, and the other two parts, 30 is 40, here is 30, and here is 40, and then I filled the missing blanks. So 30 and 40, it will be 70, 70 minus 40, 30, 70 minus number, it will be 30, so it's 40. Okay, so these are related equations. Okay, all of them dealing with the same three numbers. Why? Because they said in the question they are related facts. So I have 20, 60, and 80. I want to know if they are related fact. I say 20 and 60, it would be 80. Yes, they are related. So I draw my triangle. The two parts, if I add them, 20 and 60, it is plus, minus, minus, the answer will be 80. Now, 80 minus 20, it will be 60. And 20 and 60, I don't have the greater number, which is 80. If I don't draw the triangle, I remember that whole minus part equals part, part plus part. So these I go back, it will be addition. Let's go to the next. Okay. Here. I have 40 minus 30. So I have the greater number 40. 4 minus 3, it will be 10. Here is whole, here is part, here is part. The other one, it's addition, so part plus part. Where is the part? I have 10 and 30. The whole will be 40. Now, here they make a blank. You can choose any fact you want. They make for us minus and addition. You can make another one in addition. So I just switch the part. Here is 30, sorry. Here is 30. And here is 10 equals 40. Now here 5 plus 3, it will be 8. So 50 plus 30, it will be 80. Here I have subtract, so it's part plus part equals whole. Whole, this one, minus any part you want to choose. It will be the other part. I can write another sentence. Let's make it subtracting. The whole minus the other part. Here is 30. Here is 50. The answer is 30. So the 50. So the 80 minus 30, it will be 50. Okay. Problem solving. Ronald and his dad picked 80 apples. So I circle the first information. It's 80 apples. They gave some apples to Ronald's grandma. So when I say gave, they are losing to make apple pies and took the rest home. Ronald and his dad have 50 apples now. How many apples did they give the grandma? So I have missing 50 apple, or they have 50 apple after they giving some to grandma. I don't know how many apple did they give grandma. So I have the total, the whole, which is 80, and I have another part which is 50. I remember the fact already. Whole minus part minus 50 equals 8 minus 5, 3. So 80 minus 50 is 30. Now the second problem solving. Sorry. Okay. Mark had a box of 50 red and blue marbles. So 50 red and blue together. 20 of them were red. How many marbles are blue? So if I draw the triangle, 50, all of them is the whole. The other part is a 20, and what the other part? So here I have subtracting. So 50 minus 20. I said write the subtraction sentence and it's related to addition fact. How I write that related addition fact? Like this. They asked about the subtracting. Here it's 50 minus 20 equals 30. The related fact, that means I have to go back and add these together. So 30 plus 20 equals 50. Okay, so the related fact, addition fact for this sentence is 30 plus 20. It's not a 20 plus 30 because the answer here is 30. Can you write another problem for the same subtract and addition fact? For sure, I have here only two, so for fact family I have four equations. So here is 50, here I subtract 20, the other equation is 30 equals 20. Now, if I have 30 plus 20, I have to switch this is the 20 plus 30 equals 50. Now, here is a vocabulary check. Here I have to know add tens, subtract tens, thing, addition to subtract. I have here 40 minus 10 equals 50. 50 minus 40 equals 10. So here I have relating fact family, so it's thing, addition to subtract. 70 minus 30, I have minus, so it's adding or subtracting? No, it's subtracting tens. 20 plus 60 is adding or subtracting? No, it's adding tens. So we are done with the textbook until page 305. We will cover now the homework. We did it already in the classroom. Okay, here I have, sorry, here I have the match. This one here. Okay. Here I have to match. I have this first thing is plus. So part plus part equals whole. The part is missing, so whole minus part. 5 minus 2 is 3, so it's 30. Where is 30? Tap down. I just match it. I have subtract, so it's whole minus part equals part. 70 minus 60, because 60 is a part, I need the other part. 7 minus 6, 1, so it's a 10, and then I match. Now, sure, how I do it? Just look to the subtract and the sign. It's not subtraction, here's subtraction. So it's whole minus part equals part. I have the both part, so part plus part equals whole. 4 plus 4, it will be 8. 40 plus 40, it will be 80. So the answer is 80. Now here I sing the song. Here is addition. So part plus part equals whole. I don't know the part, so it's whole minus part equals part. 7 minus 5, it will be 2. 70 minus 50, it will be 20. And then I match. The last one, it's a minus, so whole minus part equals part. I have this part. 9 minus 4, it will be 5. 90 minus 40, it will be 50. So the answer is up there, 50. So just sing the song for whole and part song and you can find the answer. For this, they said add and subtract. Okay, add and subtract. Okay, 80 subtract 20, so minus 8 minus 2, it will be 6. So 80 minus 2, it will be 20, sorry, it will be 60. 30 minus 10, 3 minus 1, it will be 2. 30 minus 10, it will be 20. Here is less than means subtract. 40 less than 90, that means the greater number. I can take from 40 90. So it's 90 minus 40. 9 minus 4. It will be 5. All the time I'm using my finger and my head. So 90 minus 40, it will be 50. Take away, take away, take away, subtracting, take away, subtracting. Take 50 away from 60. Where is the greater number? All the time I subtract with the greater number. It's 6 minus 5. It will be 1. 60 minus 50. It's 10. Now 50 add. You have to know how to read the words. Add, subtract, minus, plus. 5 plus 1 is 6. 5 plus 50 plus 10 is 60. 40 plus 30. 4 plus 3 is 7. 40 plus 30 is 70. 60 more than and less than are opposites, so more than it's addition. 60 plus 30, 60 plus 3 is 9, 60 plus 30 is 90. 20 to 20, 2 plus 2 is 4, 20 plus 20 is 40. Now the problem solving. There are 40 butterflies, 20 butterflies, join them. I have the word join them, they coming together. So I add more than 40, 20. So 4 plus 2, it will be 6. 40 plus 20, it will be 60. There are 60 butterflies, 20 fly away. 20 left. So how many are left? It's subtracting. So 6 minus 2 is 4. 60 minus 20 is 40. So the basic things here is dealing with the triangle facts family. Up here I have the whole, the greater number. Here I have part. Here I have part. Part plus part equals whole. Whole minus part equals part. Whole minus part equals part. So that's the lesson for today. Here I guess we have extra in the textbook. I don't know the page, but I guess maybe I will tell you the page inshallah. Let's solve it together now. Okay. Now 40 plus a number equals 50. Part plus part equals whole. Whole minus part equals part. So 50 to the whole minus 40, it will be 10. So 50 minus 40, it will be 10. Now 20 plus 40, 2 plus 4, 6, 60. Now whole minus part equals part. The parts are together, 2 and 4, 6. So 20 and 40, 60. 40 plus 10 is 50. So 50 minus a number equals 10. 5 minus 1 equals 4. So 50 minus 10, it will be 40. 70 minus 40, 7 minus 3 is 4 equals 3. So 70 minus 40 equals 30. Here is I have add. I have to know where is the part, where is the whole. The whole is the first if I have subtract. So 30 plus 40, the answer will be 70. Now 90 minus 20. 9 minus 2, it will be 7. 90 minus 20, it will be 70. Now here I have addition. The whole is 90, so it's 70. I go back like a moving. I move like this. If I subtract, if I want to move backwards, in the other sentence, I move it from right to left. So 70 plus 20 equals 90. Now 70 plus 20, it would be 90. Here I have another plus, so I keep the same, but I switch the parts. Here is 20, here is 70. The answer will be 90. Okay, 6 minus 3, 60 minus 30, it will be 30. I have to add here, whole minus part equals part plus part. 30 plus 30, it will be 60. Now 80 minus 40, 8 minus 4, it will be 4. 80 minus 40, it will be 40. Here I have addition, so I go in the reverse. 40 and 40, it will be 80. Now 50 minus 30, 5 minus 3 equals 2. 50 minus 30 equals 20. Here as I go back as a reverse for addition, 20 plus 30, it will be 50. So we finished the lesson now. I hope you enjoy it. You have to study well and do class areas practice. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.